Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be giving you some useful tips and tricks on how to upload your very first YouTube video. After you log into YouTube, you're going to want to click on your icon in the top right corner and go to YouTube Studio. Now from there, you want to go to upload videos, or there might be a video already there if you try to upload one before. This upload button will always be right here. So we click on that and we're just going to drag our video from our computer into that box. And there it is, it's uploading. Now right here at the bottom left, you're going to see the percentage that it's uploaded. And the first thing you want to do is come up with a title. Now what you want to do is come up with a title that's relatively short. I would say about 50 characters is good because 50 characters usually fits on someone's phone as they're scrolling up, and your whole title will be there and you'll see that on the phone. So as you'll see, my finished title is only 31 characters long, so I know that's going to show up on everyone's phone, the whole title, and they'll be able to see that. My video is done uploading, but you'll see it's 0% processed for standard definition, which means high definition hasn't even started processing yet. The cool thing about YouTube is that as long as your upload fully completed, you can get out of this. It's saved as a draft, come back later, and most likely the standard definition and high definition will already be processed. Your next step would be to write the description. Now it's important to include all the key words that your video is about in that description. So if you have a cat video, make sure the word cat is in the description. That's how people actually find your videos when they're searching for it. So in my case, my video is about creating your own YouTube channel. So I'm going to put some keywords in my description that will allow people to search for a video like that. I finished my description and you'll see here that I used 256 characters out of a total of 5,000 that you can use. So you can make this however long you want. I always use the first couple sentences to actually describe the video that I'm loading up here. And then I'll put a couple of enters to space it out. And here are my key words. And I've separated all of them by a comma, and you'll see why I've done that in a second. So next up, we have to select an option for a thumbnail. Now YouTube is always going to give you 3 options to choose from, but they aren't always the best options. So there's one option, there's another, and there's another option. It is a good idea if you want to be taken seriously on YouTube to always create your own thumbnails. So click here and press upload thumbnail. And it says to add custom thumbnails, first verify your phone number. So you need to have a verified YouTube account in order to make your own thumbnails and upload them here. This feature will also allow you to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. So it is a very good idea to verify your YouTube account by using your phone number. So just click verify. It'll take you to this, and then fill out all this information and it'll verify your YouTube account. So once you've entered your phone number, they'll either call you or text you based on what you chose with a 6-digit verification code. You'll just enter that here, and then you'll be verified on your YouTube channel account. And once you've entered your code, you'll get this verification screen. It says, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. That's perfect. Now you can go back and we should be able to click upload. It says feature enabled, so that means we're verified now. Upload thumbnail, and we can choose whatever picture we want to be our thumbnail. So as you see, I've uploaded my own thumbnail and it's right there chosen. If you scroll down a little more, we get to playlists. Now this is good once you've started uploading more videos. If some of those videos relate to each other, you can create a playlist and put those together so your viewers can know where to find them. Audience, is this video made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. So make sure you read this just in case your video is made for kids. And if you need to get more advanced, do you want to restrict this video to adult audiences? You can say yes or no, I don't want to restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. And always click on this more options down here because it does give you some good options. So once you start making more videos, maybe someone's going to promote your videos and you want to do an ad for them. That is this right here. And tags. So it says tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. So people are misspelling things all the time. That's why I separated all of my keywords by commas. So all I have to do is copy and paste it. So enter a comma after each tag. Well, we already have that done. So all we have to do is paste it here and all of our tags show up automatically. So that's an easy way to make your keywords into tags. Just make sure it's separated by a comma when you write it originally in your description. So if we scroll down back below tags, language, subtitles, closed captions, you always want to put the video language. So in my case, it's going to be English and it's going to be United States English. That way, it can automatically generate closed captions for you. So they aren't always accurate, but YouTube does a pretty good job at generating those closed captions automatically. You can also put a recording date or a location where the video was shot. License and distribution, just use the standard YouTube license. Allow embedding, publish to subscribers' feeds, and notify subscribers. So those are good to keep checked. Category. So when you click on category, you can pick one that fits your video best. In my case, let's see, we scroll down. It's going to be more of let's go education because I'm teaching someone in this video how to set up their own YouTube channel. There we go. And then comments and ratings. What is a good option is already usually pre-selected. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for a review. That's good in case someone says something bad in your comments. Sort by top. So, or the newest. Top comment is the people who vote comments up. So that will be the best comments at the top. And you can have this box checked to show how many people like or dislike your video. The other things you can do with comments, you can allow all comments. I would highly recommend just holding the potentially inappropriate ones though. You can hold all comments for review if you want, or you can disable comments completely. All right, so you'll see that my high quality definition is finished processing while we've done this video. So that's good, but we're gonna click next. And on this part, it's showing your video elements, so it can let you add an end screen or add cards. I'm going to add an end screen. This is always good to show people the next video that they want to see, and also maybe you want them to subscribe. So I'm going to use this one right here. So it's going to be a video that's best for my viewer, and also I have a subscribe button right there. So they're both on the top, and it'll show you down here how long you want them to be for. So you'll see I still have my video going on these parts, but my little ending outro starts right here. So that's where I'm going to want my subscribe to be and also my video recommendation to be. So those things don't get in the way of my actual video. They're going to start right when my outro starts right there. All right, so right here, you can also choose based on this video, do you want it to be the best one for your viewer or the most recent upload? I'm just going to keep it as the best one for my viewer. Press save. And then we're going to go next because I'm not going to add any cards to this video. Finally, visibility. So we're almost done uploading our first video here. You can either keep this as private if only you want to be the one to see it. Unlisted, you can share the link with people, but no one can just search on YouTube and find your video. Or public, it's probably the one you're going to want to do. And that means everyone could search for your video, everyone can watch it. You can even set it as an instant premiere. So if you click this, you could set a time to watch it so you and your viewers can watch the video together. The last thing you can do is you can schedule something. So maybe there's a certain date and time that you want this video to upload and become public. You can also make that one a premiere to schedule. In my case, I'm just going to make it public right now, so I'll keep that one checked before you publish, so we don't really need to do that. Do kids appear in this video? No. Looking for overall contact guidance. So those are just things if you need to click them, but we are done. So our last step, all you do is click publish and you are good to go. After you click that, it should come up with this screen and you know you're good. So press close. Before we leave here though, I'm going to show you where you can find your videos. So go over to videos. It will appear right here for you. So from this area in channel videos, you can click the little pencil to edit some of the details if you want to. You You can look at the analytics, so how many views it's gotten, where the views come from, stuff like that. Look at the comments or view this video on YouTube. What you want to see on your videos is this green eye. That means it's good to go, it's public, everyone can see this video. There are no restrictions. If this eye right here turns a yellow color when you upload it, most likely there's a restriction. So you use something that was copyrighted. Most likely you use the song that was copyrighted, and YouTube isn't going to let you either monetize that video or show it to certain places around the world. So that is your most important thing to look at right there. You always want that green eye. From this point in videos, you can also look at how many people have viewed the video, comments, and the likes and dislikes. Well, I hope you guys learned some useful tips to making your first upload a success, and I'll see you in the next one.